Prayer of Unity and Divine Light, Bahá'í-Inspired Prayer for Peace and Inner Awakening, Prelude. This prayer has been composed to guide the human heart from division, pride, fear, and forgetfulness toward unity, love, service, justice, and the divine light. It reflects essential spiritual principles inspired by the Baha'i teachings, the oneness of humanity, compassion, sincerity, service to humankind, equality, universal peace, and the recognition of all people as one human family. Recited with sincerity, reverence, attentiveness, and love, this prayer is believed to awaken peace in the heart, gentleness in character, and illumination within the soul. Prayer of Unity and Divine Light in the name of God, the All-Glorious. O Lord, lead me from falsehood to truth. Lead me from division to unity. Lead me from darkness to thy light. Lead me from restlessness to peace. Lead me from doubt to certainty. Lead me from fear to inner security. Lead me from pride to humility. Lead me from selfishness to service. Expand my love toward all humanity. Lead me from hatred to compassion. Lead me from conflict to harmony. Lead me from separation to nearness. Lead me from confusion to clarity. Lead me from heedlessness to awakening. Lead me from agitation to steadfastness. Lead me from greed to contentment. Lead me from anger to forgiveness. Lead me from harshness to gentleness. Lead me from prejudice to equality. Lead me from racial and religious division to human oneness. Lead me from narrowness to universal brotherhood. Lead me from sorrow to patience. Lead me from trials to strength. Lead me from hardship to spiritual growth. Lead me from knowledge to wisdom. Lead me from wisdom to illumination of the heart. Lead me from illumination to remembrance of thee. Lead me from a purposeless life to a meaningful life. Lead me from passivity to noble action. Lead me from action to service. Lead me from mistrust to faith. Lead me from wandering to the straight path. Lead me from blind imitation to the search for truth. Lead me from envy to appreciative joy. Lead me from rivalry to cooperation. Lead me from hostility to brotherhood. Lead me from the prison of I to the vastness of we. Lead me from self-centeredness to service of humanity. Lead me from anxiety to rest. Lead me from turmoil to serenity. Lead me from tears to hope. Lead me from narrow vision to expansiveness of heart. Lead me from confusion to understanding. Lead me from illusion to reality. Lead me from weakness to courage. Lead me from instability to firmness. Lead me from fear to steadfastness. Lead me from selfish desires to purity. Lead me from excess to moderation. Lead me from endless craving to inner fulfillment. Grant me balance amidst blame and praise. Bless me with humility. Keep me steadfast in service. Lead me from negligence to wakefulness. Lead me from laziness to striving. Lead me from inner darkness to spiritual awareness. Lead me from violence to mercy. Lead me from revenge to forgiveness. Lead me from hardness to loving kindness. Lead me from distraction to concentration. Lead me from noise to silence. Lead me from scatteredness to inner attention. Lead me from inferiority to dignity. Lead me from insecurity to trust. Lead me from dependence to spiritual freedom. Lead me from deceit to sincerity. Lead me from artificiality to simplicity. Lead me from masks to authentic being. Lead me from failure to learning. Lead me from loss to patience. Lead me from adversity to opportunity. Lead me beyond the fear of mortality into the awareness of the soul's eternity. Lead me from darkness to divine radiance. Grant me courage in struggle. Grant me hope amidst despair. Grant me strength amidst weakness. Lead me from questions to living experience. Lead me from words to realization. Lead me from thought to living consciousness. Lead me beyond the pride that says, I alone. Awaken within me the spirit of shared humanity. Lead me from separation to human unity. When my heart grows weary, be thou my peace. When the path disappears, be thou my light. Do not grant me comfort alone, grant me steadfastness in difficulty. Do not grant me success alone, grant me balance in every condition. Do not grant me knowledge alone, fill my heart with love as well. Do not grant me power alone, bless me also with mercy. Strengthen my faith. Keep my heart alive in remembrance of Thee. Make my life a service to humanity. Whatever is noble or weak within me, I place before Thee. Guide me, sustain me, and uphold me. May Thy light shine within my heart. May Thy mercy soften my soul. May Thy love keep me steadfast upon truth. Thou art my refuge. Thou art my guide. Thou art my shelter. May selfless service become my path. May love and justice become my way. May the well-being of humanity become my purpose. May my life become a lamp of peace. May my actions become instruments of mercy. May my words become messages of love. Until the final moment, may my heart remain alive in Thy remembrance. May my final breath be filled with Thy light. May all humanity become one family. May peace and justice prevail upon the earth. May every heart awaken to love. May all be safe. May all be blessed. May unity and divine light awaken in every soul. Allahu Akbar. Fruits of the prayer. Whoever recites or listens to this prayer of unity and divine light with sincerity, reverence, attentiveness, and love gradually awakens peace, compassion, and a spirit of human unity within the heart. The mind slowly turns away from pride, hatred, fear, and division toward love, service, equality, and remembrance of the divine light. Within the seeker arise justice, kindness, brotherhood, and a longing for universal peace, and life itself begins to move toward the service and upliftment of humanity. In time, the soul begins to experience inner peace, spiritual awakening, and the radiance of divine light. Allahu Akbar. Thus ends the prayer of unity and divine light.